that Cadillac Pure.
Yeah.
That would have had a, what, Cadillac V8 in it?
Flathead, yeah, flathead, yeah, V8. Are you gonna drive it?
Yeah, they're moving. He's trying to. Hey, mercy break off. Mercy break off. Oh. Oh. Rubber gear.
Shift. Trying to figure out all
yeah, there we go. Yeah, clanky clank. Oh, this is a shot right here. What am I looking at a tank for? This is what I got to see right here.
Oh, yeah.
Forget the tank. Very cool. What could you ask for?
Not excited about some of the hairdos.
Well, you know, $20 will fix that. And then as the tank rolls out, you know, our priorities. Uh-oh, here comes the Colonel. Colonel's thinking about getting in there. Photobomb. Photobomb. Okay. That's about all I can stand.
Where'd my honey go?
Yeah, that's what I should have done.
Overreacting.
Yeah.
We made the wrong turn in Berlin. Now we're over here.